Imagine you get pulled over by the world's most aggressive and excessive female police officer. Well, go drive through Camden County, Georgia, and you might make that a reality. Check out Deputy Christy Newman's traffic stop of a woman, Cheris Faria, caught on dashcam video just released. During a routine traffic stop, she ran her license. Deputy Newman noticed that this woman had a non-judgment suspension for some unknown reason. She wrote in her subsequent report that she asked the woman to get out of her truck, but Faria refused. She further wrote in her report that Faria was non-compliant, and at some point, I got the door unlocked and attempted to get her out of the car. Then, once on the ground, Deputy Newman wrote in her report also that she, quote, tried to help Faria get up. Well, take a look at the video and see if that's what you see. Also, the other deputy arrives to help. Unfortunately, he couldn't get in a great position so as to be able to also tase this victim at the same time, thus completing the law enforcement circle of happiness. Well, that was fun. Let's quickly run through the gram factors here. Severity of the crime at issue, very, very, very minor crime. Possibly driving on a suspended license for some unknown reason. All right, not Ted Bundy. Number 2, is the suspect evading arrest or resisting? Well, allegedly, she was asked to get out of the truck and she didn't get out of the truck. Still very low on our gram factor scale. Let's get to the most important one, the third gram factor. Whether there's an immediate safety threat to this police officer or anyone else at the scene, there does not appear to be any safety threat whatsoever. So this is a pretty piece of cake excessive force analysis here. So, as always, thanks for watching. You'll find more information at the link below to the blog at thecivilrightslawyer.com. If you have a video you want me to see, please use the submission link. If you want to learn more about these cases, your constitutional rights, please subscribe. Hit the bell notification, all that. Now, do you think what we saw here was excessive force? If you don't, please also include your name, your employer, and your badge number. If you want to support the channel, please consider clicking the join button and becoming a channel sponsor or member on YouTube. Remember, freedom is scary. Deal with it.